Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set the background usage limits in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to battery. Go to battery. And here click on background usage limits. Just click it, and here you have four options. First option is put unused apps to sleep. Okay, suppose if you don't use some of the apps, then just turn on this button to put those apps to sleep. Okay, so unused apps, what are all the apps that you are not using in your phone? They will be in sleeping mode. Okay, that's the meaning of it. Okay, so if you don't want such a feature, just turn off this button so that unused apps will not sleep. Okay, so it is better to use unused apps to sleep. Okay, this is the first option. The next, never auto sleeping apps. Okay, that means if you add here some of the desired apps, those apps will never sleep. Okay, never automatically they will not sleep. Okay, so they will be active always. Okay, that's the meaning of it. So just click on plus symbol to add desired app to the never auto sleep. Okay, I have added Facebook and click on add. Okay, and go back. Then sleeping apps, just click it, and here if you would like to add some of the apps, and they will be running in the background only. Occasionally updates and notifications may be delayed. Okay, maybe some updates and notifications delayed, but they will run in the background. Okay, that is called sleeping apps. Okay, just click on this plus symbol to add just such desired apps. Okay, here I would like to add Instagram and my files. Okay, and click on add. So these two will not have will not get updates and notifications, and they will still run in the background. Okay, that's the meaning. Then next one is deep sleeping apps. Okay, click on it, and here deep sleeping apps means apps that will never run in the background and may not receive update and notifications. So both will be here done. That is, it will never run in the background, and also they will not receive any update and notifications. Okay, they will only work when you open them. Okay, so until you open such apps, it will be in sleeping mode, deep sleeping mode. That is called deep sleeping. Okay, so here I would like to use Snapchat and WhatsApp. Okay, and click on add. So in this way you can easily set background usage limits in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.